Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone, and you can quickly access this feature within one click of a button, and I'm going to show you the trick to do so. So all you have to do, guys, is just simply press anywhere on your home screen, just press and hold, and as you can see, it opens up a bunch of menus on your phone. So if you look, you have options for wallpaper, themes, widgets, and even into your settings. How amazing is that? So for example, the wallpaper and styles, you can simply tap on that and it will take you into where you can change your wallpaper, your color palette, and also dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. So you can go ahead and you can set this feature if you so desire. Let me click back. Now in terms of the themes, if you tap on that, it will open up the Galaxy theme on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and you'll be able to choose from a whole bunch of different themes, free themes, top themes, whatever themes that you find. You can go ahead and you can choose between themes, wallpapers, icons, and AODs, and so much more, right? So check this out because you might find something really nice that you like. Now if you go back, you have widgets, and this is actually a pretty cool one. So if you tap on widgets, you have a bunch of different widgets that you can use. Now the recommended is basically coming from tools or applications that you use the most, and you can go ahead and you can add them. But if you scroll down, you will see that for all the applications on your phone, there might be widgets available to them that you can easily add on your phone. So if I scroll down, let's say I want something from, for example, the Facebook, I can tap on that. As you can see, Facebook has two widgets. If I press the little down arrow towards the right hand side, it will expand the Facebook widgets that I can choose from, right? Now let me go ahead and minimize that. If I scroll down again, you will see that I have many more. Let's say I want the one football one. If I tap on that, you will see that one football widget as well. There's so much you can choose from, guys. Spotify, I have two of them. You can easily add Spotify widget to your phone. You also have for WhatsApp, and you also have for YouTube. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, for example, the YouTube one. Let's say I want to add this YouTube one. I can tap on that widget and I can click and add, and it will add it to my phone. And as you can see, it is there on my phone, and I can always go ahead and use it. So if I want to search on YouTube, I can simply tap on search YouTube, and it will open up YouTube, and I can go ahead and I can search, right? So that's how you can add the widget. Now let me press and hold again and go back. So you have the widgets, you have the themes, the wallpaper, and you also have settings. If you go to settings, you have a bunch of things that you can change. From the home screen, you can change the layout, you can change the grids, and you can change so much more. So come here and you can check out a bunch of different features that you can change on your phone, and this will help you to customize your home screen. So how do you access it? Just simply press and hold anywhere there, and it will open up these different options for you that you can quickly go ahead and utilize them to customize and personalize your phone. Very easy and very simple, guys.